Dear friends, today we are going to cook mutton chops curry in instant pot. What we have here is 1 pound goat curry, chopped, cut it into small pieces of half inch. We are going to clean it first. So for cleaning, what we have here is turmeric and salt in water. So we are going to clean the chopped mutton in this. Then we marinate it and make gravy separately, cook it in instant pot. For cleaning, leave the meat in the turmeric salt water for a minute or so, then rinse off this water, then marinate it. This will take away the intense smell also. So it's always good to clean it in turmeric salt water. The meat is washed and rinsed. It's clean. Now we are going to make the marinade. For that, what we have is we are adding half a teaspoon of salt. We have grated ginger garlic paste, around 1 tablespoon together. Coriander powder, half a teaspoon. Turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon. Chili powder, half a teaspoon. You can lower it if you would like. And we are going to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, curd for marinade, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. You can use other oils too. So you mix this well and it should marinate for about 2 hours. Once you mix it, cover it with a plastic wrap, put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. We can make the gravy separately and cook this marinated meat in the gravy in instant pot. Yes, it's ready. Meat is marinated. Now we will make the gravy. For gravy, we have 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 cup of chopped onion, chopped garlic and ginger, little bit, 3 cloves, cardamom, and little bit of cinnamon sticks. This is red chili, 1 red chili. We are going to fry this in instant pot and grind it into paste. This will be the gravy. Set it in saute, add a little bit of oil, and we can start adding one by one. Once the oil is hot, we can start frying everything. Cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, red chili, then we add garlic, ginger, onion one by one. While sauteing onions, add little bit of salt. This will make the process faster. For mutton chop, onion needs to be cooked very well. It should be light brownish before we add coconut and grind it. Onion is fried. It is brownish. Once it's cooked well, you can add coconut. We add coconut and this needs to be fried for 2 minutes. You can add half a cup of water to grind this into gravy. Add little oil if required. Now the coconut is cooked. We are adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of salt. We have already added turmeric and salt in marinated meat also. If required, we can add it later on. Now it's fried and we can grind it with a little bit of water. We have all the fried ingredients for gravy in the blender. We are going to add 1 cup of water, half a cup to 1 cup. You can add little and grind it into paste. The gravy is ready. The marinated meat is ready. The paste for gravy is ready. Now we have to cook the mutton chops in the gravy. For that we need to add more fried onions. We have fried onions, 2 green chili, curry leaves, chopped cashews and chopped cilantro, coriander. So in the same pan you can heat oil with a little bit of ghee. Start frying onion and other ingredients. Green chili, onions, curry leaves. This needs to be fried for 3-4 minutes until the onion gets cooked. Then we add the gravy and meat and cook everything. Onion is translucent. Now we can add the meat and fry it for a few minutes. The marinated meat goes in. The meat is fried in onion for 2 minutes. Now we will add the paste. Mix it well. We can add a little bit water. We are going to pressure cook it because the marinated meat needs to be cooked well. So we will pressure cook it for 10 minutes. Change the setting to pressure cook. Set it for 10 minutes. Mutton chops will be ready. Now it's cooked. Since we pressure cooked, leave it for 5 more minutes until the pressure is gone. Now we can done. The pressure is gone. We can open. Mutton chops cooked in instant pot. You can see the fat and oil on the top. Garnish with chopped cilantro, coriander leaves. Here you go. Yummy mutton chops. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.